Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to address an issue many Windows 10 users face, a slow keyboard response. If you're typing, but your keyboard seems to lag or delay, this can be super frustrating. But don't worry, I've got some simple fixes that should help you get back to smooth typing in no time. First, let's talk about what could be causing this issue. There are a few reasons why your keyboard might respond slowly in Windows 10. It could be due to settings like sticky keys or filter keys, which are designed to help people with accessibility needs. However, these settings can sometimes interfere with normal keyboard input if they're accidentally activated. Another possible cause could be outdated keyboard drivers. Let's go through the steps to fix this. Filter keys is a feature that can cause keyboard input to be delayed. Here's how to turn it off. Open the settings by pressing Win key plus I. Next, go to Ease of Access. Select Keyboard from the left sidebar. Scroll down and find the Filter Keys option. If it's turned on, simply toggle it off. Once you've disabled this feature, check your keyboard again and see if the response time has improved. Another feature that can slow down your typing is sticky keys. This is similar to filter keys and can be turned off the same way. Look for sticky keys and toggle it off if it's enabled. After turning both features off, test your keyboard and see if there's any improvement. Method 2. Outdated or corrupt keyboard drivers can also cause slow response times. Here's how to update your keyboard drivers. To open Device Manager using a keyboard shortcut in Windows, you can press Windows key plus X, then select Device Manager. Expand the keyboard section and right-click your keyboard device. Select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will check for any available updates. If it finds any, it will automatically install them. That's it for today's video on fixing slow keyboard response in Windows 10. I hope these steps helped you out. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions or if there's a specific problem you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.